pre-travel day, and we're just about to go for our buddy. Do you want to go for walkies? You just like, yeah? You're not fussed? You're just happy to be here? Look at that face. Oh, look at that tail. Yeah? Oh, is that your mum ready? Yeah? Let's go. Another pre-travel day dog walk with Buddy on the Loch. Who's in the Loch? This is Loch Lomond Sea Life Centre. I think I mentioned it in my other pre-travel day vlog. Yeah? You happy to go? Go another time? So I'm just looking for a kind of blazer, tweed blazer, in a Harris tweed shop, and I found this. I think that's quite funny. We may have an item of clothing that's made from Harris tweed, which is a specialised maker of things made of tweed, but it comes from Harris in the Western Isles, tweed of Harris, and it was originally $295. I'm like, oh, it's quite expensive. But I said, look, is there anything you can do with the price? And the guy actually knows who I am. That sounds really egotistical, but I mean, he's seen me about, obviously, walking Buddy in and out of the centre. He knows I'm local, and he actually knows Rosalind's family, which helps. So he said, we can do a 10% discount. I said, right, okay, if I'm going to purchase it, I'll need a MasterCard. I said, right, I'll need to come back. And he's just phoned me there. I gave him a number. And he said, look, my boss just said to me he can do it for $250. So I thought and the guy's customer service is top notch. And that's what I like to buy. I don't like buying an item, I like to buy customer service. And that guy provided it amazingly. So I feel bad for not buying it. But yeah, we're going to try something else just to have a look. Just to have a look. Tweeds of Scotland. So I have found a replacement for my suit jacket. This is actual Harris tweed. Just look at that. Ooh. So hand woven, handmade, made in the Western Isles. I don't usually go for things like this, but I don't know, something just I really liked like this. So yeah, that should go nicely with my ensemble that I'll be wearing for a formal night. Hello there. Good morning. It is travel day for our Disney Dream cruise from Copenhagen. And you may see the umbrella. I'm wearing sunglasses. This is me on summer. This is Scottish summer, so you've got to wear sunglasses, you know. I'm just realised it might be shaky cam because it's the front-facing camera. But yeah, me and Buddy are out on a travel day dog walk in the rain in Balloch Park. But I love it. And Rosalind's at home just getting ready, getting things organised last minute. And then we'll drop Buddy off at the home border. And that's another wee holiday for him with other friends and stuff. So it's a different one, but he's been with her before, so we're all good. So I've not shaved yet. Once I get home, I'll go for the shower and shave before we travel. There's your ball. Go, go, go! I believe the weather is similar to what we're experiencing right now. Rain. But that's all good. Or we're packed for all occasions. It's not like Florida where it's just shorts and t-shirt. What are you waiting on? He's just waiting on me. Yeah, really excited now. I was struggling to get to sleep last night with the excitement. I don't think I got to sleep till about 2. Woke up about 10 to 8. But it's all good. You ready for the ball? Ready for the ball? 3. Leave it. Leave it. 3, 2, 1, go! It's a game he likes to play. But also trains impulse control. Doesn't it, son? He's still a dog. As much as I love him, he's got that impulse to chase things. Are you a retriever? Do you retrieve? Just first. No better? Get over there. No? Can you see it's not pure face?
No, it's not face.
So that's Buddy dropped off again. It's just rinse and repeat from the last time we went to Orlando, except he's a wee bit closer to home. Off to Edinburgh at the long stay again, exactly the same as last time. Here we go! Here we are. After all the pandemonium, we're now at the correct gate, but we've got Qatar Airways on the way first, and then Norwegian will come in after. Gate change number 2, except we're going from one side of the airport to the other, from 18 to 1k. Eh?
15 to 18 to...
Aye, that's what I'm saying, second change. Mental. So this is gate change number 3. Hopefully we'll get in, but we are delayed. What a mental journey after we got off the bus, and it might not even be the right gate. The gate was up and now it's off, and it's still off, so it should be on in the next, how many minutes? 3 minutes. It was an hour and 10 when we got off the bus until we got through bag drop. A much more different experience than Virgin. It took us 20 minutes last time. So yeah, so far so good. Managed to get a quick Burger King, which was nice, but rushed. Yeah, anyway, we're just waiting for our gate now.
I think mine's is on the other one. Oh, there it goes.
Chaotic day.
Terrible.
Yeah.
Are you going back to Copenhagen? And then you...
Yep, it's definitely your luggage tag on it.
Yeah, it's definitely
Ja, men omkring jag kom bort från cockpit-kapten Kristoffer tillsammans med mina båda kollegor här i eftermiddag. Så är det att få flyga till Köpenhamn kanske. Men jag beklagar att vi är lite senare.
We have arrived at the Comwell Portside Dolce by Windham. We're okay. It was a wee bit delayed getting away from Edinburgh Airport. That's the main leg of the journey done, and we're literally not very far from the port. Well, we're actually on the water essentially. How to see? So like the water is over there. The windows are a bit dirty because of the salt. That's how close we are. Yeah, not a bad view, I guess. It's quite quiet. The metro was quite easy once we got our ticket, and then just followed Google Maps and Apple Maps, and it was as it said. 8 stops and then 4 stops, wasn't it?
That's right.
And then come off at Orient Kai.
Which is the end of the line.
Orient Kai, which is the end of the line when you change at Koenigsnitroff. I'm butchering the pronunciation, but this is the way. So we're going to go downstairs now. There's a few people here that we know already. We're all excited, we're ready to go. Let's get some to eat. This hotel is absolutely stunning. Staff are so friendly, and I wonder where they're going. Wow. It is... what? You can rent an umbrella. Oh my goodness. For 2 days. It is... yeah, this is lovely. It's so clean. It is very similar weather to Scotland, so Vigo is like their Uber, or Lyft I guess. Oh, red sky at night. So, there is the metro. But instead of going left out the metro, me and Rosin went all the way around and came in this way. So yeah, amazing. So yeah, we're going to get a bus down there and turn left. Very happy. We've ordered food on the Danish Just Eat. So yeah, we're just going to sit in the bar area. It's quite chilled, and we'll just take it from there.